that's what I would take with me. And it is heavy, I know, but because it's a backpack, it's so much easier. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you what to pack on board when traveling with a baby. So last time Ethan and I flew from London to Brisbane, Australia. It was a little bit daunting. I wasn't really, well, I was prepared, but I wasn't sure. You won't know until you get on board what's expected to happen or what's gonna happen. So it was a little bit hard and it was stressful and it was yeah, a bit scary, but I learned my lesson coming back. So coming from Australia back to the UK, and I was well prepared then, and the flight went really, really well. So a tip is to try to bring less as possible, like as in don't bring too many bags, just bring one bag. When I was in Australia, I found a backpack that could fit everything that I needed to fit, and it is super, super important to just have the one bag. Okay, so the bag I found online, it's known to be like a laptop bag, and it was from Amazon. It's called, I think it's Croza, but I'll put the link below. And it looks decent size, but then you can actually fit so much in this bag. There's so many compartments, there's so many pockets. It's just so handy, like even pocket down the back there with a zip, down the front, down the sides, is like zipped everywhere. And you can also charge your phone. It has a USB port to here, and it even has headphone holders on the other part here. So I highly recommend that. Nems even loves this bag. He even bought one for himself because it just fits so much. It's even good as an overnight bag. And it's super comfy on the body, and you don't really sweat because it's got these mesh parts at the back. Okay, so I'm going to show you what exactly I take with me, because I know a lot of you messaged me last time asking me any tips and what to bring and what was really important. So I'm going to show you now. Importantly, you need nappies. Well, all of this is important, but nappies. So you always have to prepare worst case scenario. So if you are going to travel for 24 hours, bring an extra day. So just in case you get stuck, you miss your flight, the flight's delayed, whatever. So you need to have like a day extra. So in here, there's about 35 nappies because Ethan will probably use 15 a day. And then I've got extra just in case. Okay, so you wouldn't believe it, I can fit all of this in here. And that fit pretty easy, and there's still space. Another thing I pack is his milk. So with his milk, I found these satchels online, also on Amazon in Australia. It made life so much easier. So all you do is rip off the top, fill it up with formula, and then you rip off the bottom. And then you just grab the bottle. Obviously you're gonna get hot water from the stewardesses, and then pop it in there, and it just falls into the bottle. It's so easy, because the last time I went on the way there, I used the small Ziploc bags like this, and oh, it went everywhere. It was disastrous and so stressful, and it was so messy. So I highly recommend these. These are called Dr.DuDu milk powdered storage bags. I have, I think, 15 packed because Ethan doesn't really drink that much anymore. He only has maybe 3 or 4 bottles a day. And then I just bought extra just in case, and also extra for when we land in Australia. Put these in. Okay, so obviously I'm going to also take his bottles. So I only take 2, so you can rotate, wash one while he's using one. Just not gonna fit it. And then I also bring a water bottle. So before I brought like this 1 litre jug because I couldn't find the water bottle version. On the flights, just know that the water is probably not baby like appropriate. Ethan got the runs from it last time. So I found this BRITA water bottle and has a filter. It's got a filter inside. So all I do is fill it up and then squeeze it into his baby bottle. So he'll have the hot water and then put the rest cold water too. So it evens out and it's not too hot for him to drink. So that's really helpful. So if you want baby to drink filtered water, get one of these. Also from Amazon. Amazon should really sponsor me. Oh, obviously with the nappies come the baby wipes. So I get a full pack of baby wipes packed in there, and also I bring antibacterial baby safe wipes too, because when you do nappy change, you want to wipe around the areas and also the seating around. But the airlines also supply you with antibacterial wipes and sterile sanitizer. Okay, so I'll pop those in there. I also bring a spare change of clothes. So I pack them in these bags for a reason. It's because it makes it easier when you go to grab it out of the bag instead of rumbling around, taking everything out. It's easier just to know what you want and just grab it. It makes it so much easier. What I did pack in there is 2 face wipes, just in case, you know, I want to wipe Ethan's face or he vomits. They're very handy. A spare change of pajamas. These are warm towel sort of ones, Bonds ones, because it does get really cold on the plane. But I also have his little like a quilted suit for him to wear to sleep, and a spare singlet. So I might bring actually 2 singlets. That just goes in there. Ziploc bags, you got to leave it open a little bit so that the air comes out. Okay, so I'll put them down the back there. And then we need to pack Ethan some baby toys. Obviously now, because he's so active, we need to keep him busy. So I've just got someone actually suggested this one to me on Instagram. Thank you for that person that told me about this, because you know, Ethan loves to like push the teat of the bottle in, and he's broken so many, but this is like a sensory toy. And then you just press them in, the bubbles, and then press them back out. So that keeps him busy. And then teething toys, because he's teething again. And I know parents, some parents, they don't give your child an iPad, but when you're on a 24-hour flight, you need an iPad. So I have a mini iPad for him. So where am I gonna put this? Okay, back. Oh, and then his food. So on the airline or on the plane, they actually provide food for the kids, but obviously sometimes it might not be something that they like. But I've packed some of Ethan's favorite food. So he loves his spaghetti, some snacks, a bib, his fruit smoothies, some baby cakes, and some little apple fruit. That's not enough for him. He'll probably eat my meal, to be honest. I'm gonna be the one starving. Okay, that's the go these days. He'll just be like, Mum, and I'm like, oh, there goes my food. All right. So I've also got his medicine ready, just in case, you know, you just never know. You have to be ready. So I think it's paracetamol. Yes, paracetamol. And then I've got his teething granules in there too, just in case he gets irritated by his teeth. Should I put that on the side pocket? And then a charger. So I need a charger for the iPad and also my mobile phone for when we land. It has to be fully charged. I also bring a change mat, just in case I need to change him anywhere in a hurry. And I also have to bring his sippy cup because he wants to drink water. He drinks a lot of water these days, and he's definitely cutting down on the milk. And I know you're probably thinking, how are you gonna fit this in? So this is my coffee cup. I recommend bringing your own coffee cup, because when you're on the plane and they give you those little breakable mugs, it's so difficult because they fill it right to the top. And then when you have a child, he's like bumping you, it's so dangerous. And like I literally had to scull my coffee or tea, and it was so bad. So I highly recommend bringing your own coffee cup, just so that you can actually enjoy your drink. Where am I gonna put this? Okay. All right, guys. I might do a bit of readjusting here because I missed a pocket. So, looks pretty full, huh? But it closes really easy. And it's not even actually full. So I've still got space to fit last minute things like my headphones or something like that. My iPad can still fit down the back there in this back slot. So I still have to pop that in. or even my laptop. So I haven't decided which one I'm going to take yet. I think my laptop. And there you have it. Literally fit all that in one bag. That's everything pretty much. I pack, and then I'll just leave like last minute things like my wallet. Put my wallet in, and that's quite a big wallet. And then even my phone. Side pocket. Oh, I do have my laptop here, just to show you. That's what I would take with me. And it is heavy, I know, but because it's a backpack, it's so much easier than just traveling with like a side carry bag. So there you have it. So I hope this has helped you. And I hope you found this video useful. So wish me luck on this trip with Ethan, but thankfully this time I've got Nems with me, which is going to be so much easier. I'm not going to be by myself. And I'll let you know how we go when we arrive in Australia. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, and until next time, bye for now.